Is your CV letting you down? Are you missing out on interviews because of your CV? If you want to change your career or your job, then your CV is the first step to getting there. In order to excel professionally, your CV needs to stand out from the crowd. Hi, I'm Nikita and I'm a software developer and tutor here at Code Institute. Our goal is to help you get the job that you want. So let's look at 5 tips to help you improve your CV. Number 1, summarize and structure your content. A clearly structured CV tells an employer that you're organized, detail-oriented, and diligent. Maintain a simple structure with bold headings to differentiate your experience from your education. Hiring managers are too busy to read long CVs. If your CV is more than 2 pages, then the chances are that hiring managers just won't read it. Remember to keep it concise. Focus on describing skills and experience relevant to the role. Use bullet points to help you save on space. Number 2, highlight your achievements. Creating an achievement section at the top of your CV is one of the best ways to help you stand out. List any professional and personal achievements in this section. Employers will be able to see your achievements at a glance, and they'll appreciate a summary of your successes. If you're moving into a new industry, a hiring manager will be interested in what you can bring to the table. Keep in mind that you can leverage your experience from another industry to help you in a new industry. Highlighting your achievements will give a hiring manager confidence that you have the knowledge and skill set you need to succeed. Number 3, tailor your language. The language that you use for your CV is vital. Choose active verbs like delivered, implemented, and led. Active verbs will empower your CV. Match the language that you use to that of the job description. This will increase your chances of landing an interview. Remember that your CV should be written in the past tense. Grammatical errors will deter hiring managers, so be sure to get someone you trust to proofread your CV for you. Number 4, showcase your volunteering experience. Have you ever volunteered for a charity, a company, or at an event? If you have, include it in your CV. Volunteering experience shows that you're willing to give up your time to help others. It means that you're a team player. And what hiring manager doesn't want a team player working for them? Volunteering experience highlights that you're enthusiastic and that you have a strong work ethic, both of which are attractive qualities in a future employee. Number 5, include your training and qualifications. Have you participated in training courses or attained relevant qualifications? If you have, then don't forget to mention this in your CV. It proves that you're committed to ongoing learning and self-development. Let hiring managers know that you're open to change and willing to develop new skills. Employers love employees who are able to adapt and who are dedicated to developing themselves professionally. Okay, that's it from me. Why not take a step closer to your dream job and start improving your CV today? I hope these 5 tips have helped. You can check out our other videos or our blog at codeinstitute.net.